Good evening, Dr. PASQUA, chiropractor here on White Plains Road. And
so the New York Post had an article, Giant Players Unhappy with Size of Beds at Training Camp. Marvin Austin, Linval Joseph, they say they're too hard, they're too small, their back is hurting, they think it's the bed. Well, it's not the bed.
And I've read some articles lately in ESPN, and I believe in one or two of the New York newspapers reported how the Giant players are blaming their rash of low back injuries on the size and the nature of the beds that they're sleeping on in the dormitories in Albany, their training camp. Now, as we all know that these are big men, many of them 6'4", 6'5", 6'6", weighing upwards of 300 pounds or over. So the fact that some of the beds are not the right size may cause for uncomfortable sleeping. However, people always tend to blame the beds for their pain because with low back conditions, when you wake up in the morning, it's always your stiffest, worst, most painful time of the day. So it's natural to then blame what you were doing, the sleeping. But it's not the beds, it's actually the sleeping. What happens is at night, the inactivity, the joints stiffen up, the discs swell up, so when you first wake up in the morning, you have back pain. You walk around for 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on how bad your back is, maybe half an hour. You move around, you have activity, and the backs do improve. They do get better. Also, another condition that may be causing it that they may have overlooked rather than the beds is the air conditioning in the room. We've had very hot weather, especially up in Albany, and these big men are sweating and they have their air conditioners on, I'm sure, full blast, and that also causes achiness in the morning. So don't blame the beds. Blame football.